Hello class, in this video I'll show you how to solve a trigonometric equation when the coefficient of theta is not 1. Let's begin. So I want to find all solutions in the interval 0 to 2 pi of the equation cotangent of 2 pi thirds is equal to negative square root of 3. The first thing you want to ask yourself is, what angles have a cotangent value of negative square root of 3? Well, there are two. Cotangent of 5 pi sixths and the cotangent of 11 pi sixths. Both of these equal negative square root of 3, which means that 2/3 theta has to equal 5 pi sixths plus, now the period of cotangent is not 2 pi, the period of cotangent is pi. So in this case we're going to add pi k, not 2 pi k, but pi k. Next, 2/3 theta is equal to 11 pi sixths plus, the period of cotangent again is pi, not 2 pi. So we're going to add pi k. Now we don't care what 2/3 theta is equal to. We care about what theta is equal to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply each equation by the reciprocal of 2/3, which would be 3/2. So this will be theta is equal to 5 pi fourths plus 3/2 pi k. And if I multiply this equation over here on the right by the reciprocal of 2/3, you get theta is equal to 11 pi fourths plus 3/2 pi k. Okay, so now that we have the general expression for each angle, I'm going to let k equal 0. And when k is equal to 0, you have theta is equal to 5 pi fourths plus 0, which is 5 pi fourths. And theta is equal to 11 pi fourths plus 0, which is 11 pi fourths. But you might realize that that angle is actually larger than 2 pi. So what we're going to do is we're going to ignore this solution because 11 pi fourths is greater than 2 pi. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to test k is equal to 1, but I have a feeling that when that happens, each of the angles are going to be too large. So in this case, you're going to have theta is equal to 5 pi fourths plus 3 pi halves. And after finding a common denominator, that is going to be 11 pi fourths, which is again too large. So it looks like the only solution in the given interval is 5 pi fourths.